Shakas, aloha crafty friends, it's Maka from Makaz Home. I'm here today with day number 3 of 24 Days of Christmas Secret Santa Swap, hosted by ScrappyTate. And let's see what my Secret Santa gave me today. If you've been following along, or if you've missed yesterday's video, I will link it here. Stay till the end and you'll see the playlist. Ooh, so this is day number 3. Comes in this beautiful shiny gold bag. And let it undo the little tie. Oh, let's see, let's see. I see crinkle, I see crinkle. Oh, let's pull these out. Oh, look at this beautiful sequin mix. Oh, it is very frosty. I like it. Can you see it? Sorry, there's a glare. Yeah, there. Beautiful sequence mix. One. And there's another. There is. Oh, yes. Beautiful, beautiful. Thank you, Secret Santa. Love it. Love it, love it. So that's day number 3. I'll also link here so you can see what I've been gifting my Secret Santa. Hope you guys are having a crafty day. Happy holidays. Take it easy. For more videos like these, like and subscribe. Here's other videos here. And until my next video, shakas.